Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Find My on your iPhone and confirming the AirPods are linked to your Apple ID. This is essential so the phone can access the U1 chip data. Once done, wake the AirPods, open the case lid or remove one AirPod so they broadcast. Now, tap Devices, select your AirPods, and choose Precision Finding if it appears. This activates visual and haptic guidance. Make sure to grant location and Bluetooth permissions so the system can calculate angle and distance accurately. You follow the on-screen arrow and distance readout while holding the iPhone upright. The phone uses the U1 chip to determine angle and proximity, so orientation matters. Move slowly toward the direction indicated and pause briefly when the arrow jumps. This lets the system recalibrate. If the signal fluctuates, make small circular movements to re-establish line of sight. Also, make sure to listen for optional sound prompts and feel haptic feedback. These help you confirm the precise spot in cluttered or noisy environments. You finish by moving until the distance reads approximately 0.5 or the arrow centers on the screen. At that point, scan the immediate area carefully and retrieve the AirPods. If precision finding does not lead you there, use play sound to audibly locate them or check the map for the last known location. If things go wrong, restart your iPhone, toggle Bluetooth, and confirm iOS is up to date. These steps fix most connectivity issues and restore precision finding functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.